Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Signing with Omar. Today is part 3 of common ASL signs. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now the first sign we're going to do is the sign nice. Simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that in front of the body, take your dominant hand, lay that crossed on the non-dominant hand, and bring that dominant hand forward. Let me do that from the side. That is how you sign nice. Now for the sign knight. I usually take my non-dominant hand, bring that in front of my body, kind of bent over. You could do it with a fist or whatever. And I'll take that non-dominant hand, bend the fingers down, almost in an angle, as you can see. And that goes right over on top, a little bit over the fingers of the non-dominant hand. I've seen it like this also, but I usually do it like this. Let me show you that from the side. This is how I normally do it, but I've also seen it like this. That is how you sign knight. Now for the sign no. Simply take your dominant hand, bring together the index finger and the middle finger, take the thumb, have those three apart, and you're going to bring them together twice. From the side. That is how you sign no. Now for the sign now. Simply take both hands. What I'll do is I'll bring these 4 fingers together with the thumb out, and I'll bend at the hands and bring them down. Look at my face. That is how you sign now. For the sign not, simply take the A hand of the dominant hand. This is an A. If you don't know what this is, I did a video on the alphabet, so please go back and refer to that video. So for this, I'll take that, form the A. That thumb will then go up underneath and flick up under the chin, going outward. That is how you sign not. For the sign often, simply take your dominant hand, bring that out in front of your body. Then you take your you take your non-dominant hand, bring that in front of your body, take your dominant hand, fingers together, and they actually go and they touch the tips of the palm of the non-dominant hand, and it goes forward. Let me show you that from the side. That is how you sign often. Now for the sign only. Only you and me. Simply I usually take my one hand and form little small circles. That is how you sign only. Now for the sign other, simply make an A hand. This time the thumb is up, and what I do is I take that thumb, bring it towards the direction inward of my body, and I flick it outward towards the side of my body. That's how you sign other. Now for the sign hour, simply take your dominant hand, bring the fingers kind of together like this. The thumb will touch the outward portion of the chest, and it will come into an arc, and it will stop when the pinky touches the other portion of the chest. Let me show you that from the side. That is how you sign hour. For the sign people, what I do is I form P's and bring those in front of the body, and I'll do them in a backwards arc towards the body. Let me show you that from the side. That is how you sign people. For the sign place, I also use P's, but I turn them on their side. Now what I do is I'll take the middle finger, they will touch, and then they will form an arc coming towards the body, stopping right in front of the body at the end of that arc. Let me show you that again from the side. That is how you sign place. For the sign please, simply take your 5 hand of the dominant hand, bring that up against the chest, and form a circle. One more time. That is how you sign please. Now, if you're sorry, it's almost the same sign but different hand shape, you form an S, put that up against the chest, and go in a circular motion. That is how you sign sorry. For the sign same, what I normally do is I take the dominant hand, form a Y, and I go back and forth, usually from left to right. You can do that. Maybe you see someone else, they're coming right in front of you, you may have on the same shirt. You go. Now, I've also seen this, but you can also say common with this, with both hands, common. So this is same. For the sign sad, now what I normally do is I'll take both hands, bring the fingers apart like I'm forming fives, palms facing my chest. Take the index finger down towards the outer edges of the eyes and bring them down and show an expression of sad on my face. That is how you sign sad. For the sign see, as in I can see you over there, I simply take the middle finger and the index finger. You can form a K, and what I do is I'll take the middle finger and bring it closer to my body. So just take a look at like this. And I'll take the middle finger and it will touch right there by my outer portion of my eye, and it will go forward. Let me show you that from the side. That is how you sign C. Now, these are just a few other common ASL signs, and I hope you've learned something from them. If you have, please do me a favor. Hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button. But don't forget, hit the notification button and stay tuned for my next common ASL video.